In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink in Notion. If you're looking to make your pages more interactive and organized, you're in the right place. Hyperlinking is a simple yet powerful feature that can really enhance the way you present information and connect different pieces across your Notion workspace. Let's dive right in and learn how to do this efficiently. First, open up your Notion page where you'd like to add the hyperlink. It's essential to have your content set up in a way that makes the hyperlinks meaningful and strategic. Start by highlighting the text that you want to turn into a link. This can be a single word, a phrase, or even a whole sentence. What you want to make clickable. Highlighting the text is straightforward. Simply click and drag your cursor over the desired text until it's selected. Once your text is highlighted, you'll notice a formatting menu popping up just above your selection. This menu can feel a bit like your toolkit, offering several useful options. You'll be looking for the link icon, which looks somewhat like a small chain link. If you're accustomed to working with keyboard shortcuts, Notion makes it even quicker for you. On Windows, you can press Ctrl+K, and if you're using a Mac, the shortcut is CMD+K. These shortcuts directly open the link dialog box, speeding up your workflow if you're often adding links. With the link dialog box open, the next step is easy. Simply paste the URL you want to connect with the highlighted text. Make sure you've copied the full web address from your browser's address bar, ensuring there are no mistakes. This is an excellent opportunity to double-check that you're linking to the correct and relevant page. You don't want to guide your readers to the wrong destination, so precision is key here. After pasting the URL, finishing up is just one click away. Press enter on your keyboard and voila, your hyperlink is created. Your text should now appear slightly different, often underlined and maybe even in a different color, indicating it's now an interactive link. Try clicking it to see if it directs you to the intended web page. This quick test can spare you and your audience from broken or incorrect links. In summary, hyperlinking in Notion is a simple process that can significantly enhance your documents by linking to external resources, other Notion pages, or documents. It's a powerful way to maintain an organized, cohesive, and engaging digital workspace. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes your Notion experience even better. Happy linking!